Store your ATV in an area that is dry, secure, out of the weather, and out of the way, but accessible for periodic checks. Fuel tank preparation is a vital part of winter storage. One method of preparation, which is recommended for fuel-injected models, is to fill the tank completely with fresh fuel up to the bottom of the fuel filler neck. If you're certain that you'll not be riding the vehicle for at least 4 to 6 weeks, add a fuel stabilizer to the tank before filling it with fuel. You should change the engine oil prior to storage. Even if the oil is not yet due for a change, cylinder walls can rust if the engine is not run for several weeks. To prevent rusting during storage, first remove the spark plug from each cylinder and pour in a tablespoon of clean engine oil to coat the cylinder walls. Cover the spark plug holes with a piece of clean cloth, turn the key or ignition switch to the run position, and crank the engine over through several revolutions to coat the cylinder walls with oil. Then reinstall the spark plugs. Remove the battery for storage. Charge the battery using a charger with a charging rate that is 10% of the battery's ampere hour or AH rating. Consider using a trickle charger, as they can be left connected for long periods of time without causing damage to the battery. If the brake or clutch fluids haven't been changed in the past 2 years or 12,000 miles, do it now. Use fresh Pro Honda DOT4 brake fluid from a sealed container for the brakes. If your machine is liquid cooled and the coolant hasn't been changed in the past 2 years or 24,000 miles, do it now. Follow the procedures in the owner's manual and refill the system with Pro Honda HP coolant or an equivalent. Check that the tire air pressures are correct and place the vehicle in its storage location. During storage, check for correct air pressures at least once a month to prevent flat spotting the tires. Apply the breathable cover and you're set for the winter.